I'm Review My RV, and every week we're throwing open the doors to the newest, most jaw-dropping motorhomes before they even hit the dealership lot. If it's fresh, innovative, and rev-ready, we're reviewing it. Let's dive in. Imagine this with me. You're standing in front of something that doesn't look like any RV you've ever seen before. It's sleek, it's stylish, it's unmistakably Mercedes-Benz, yet it's rolling. A home on wheels that feels more like a premium holiday suite than a camper van. That's the vibe surrounding the buzz right now about the 2026 Mercedes-Benz luxury motorhome, and honestly, I couldn't be more excited to talk about it with you today. When you picture a motorhome, what do you think of? Big boxy shapes, slide-outs, maybe a bit utilitarian. Well, toss that old image out the window because what we're talking about here is a reimagined kind of travel machine, one that blends iconic Mercedes-Benz design language with modern mobile living. You're not just setting up camp, you're arriving in style. From every angle, this thing is a statement. Picture sweeping, aerodynamic lines that somehow make a giant motorhome look elegant and futuristic. The exterior is clean and refined. Think panoramic smart glass windows, smooth bodywork with subtle chrome touches, signature LED lighting that wraps around the front and sides. It's the kind of presence that turns heads even when it's sitting still. But here's what really gets me fired up. This isn't just a pretty face. Mercedes seems to have doubled down on blending performance, comfort, and everyday usability in a way that feels premium without being overly complicated. That means hybrid engine options for better efficiency and range, smart energy systems to support both cruising and camping, and features designed for real life on the road. Now let's talk design, because it's one of the first things people notice. The lines are flowing, almost sculptural, and there's a sense of motion even when the vehicle is parked. Those large panoramic windows aren't just there for looks. They flood the interior with natural light, making the inside feel bright and open. There's also talk about adaptive LED lighting on the outside, lighting that changes based on whether you're driving or set up at your campsite, giving it that high-end Mercedes flair. And on top of that, roof-integrated solar panels are expected to play a part in the energy story here too, helping power accessories and living essentials when you're off-grid. It's that blend of luxury and thoughtfulness that tells you this isn't just about looking cool, it's about actual functional living. Slide inside, and it feels like you've walked into a modern apartment on wheels. Plush seating that you never want to leave, ambient LEDs that set the mood just right, premium materials everywhere you look. This is Mercedes-level comfort, not your typical RV interior. The cabin is laid out to feel spacious yet cozy, with seating areas that convert easily into beds, a full kitchen that brings real cooking to the road, and entertainment options that rival what you'd have at home. What's wild is that Mercedes seems to be thinking about people living here, not just traveling in it. We're talking smart tech that controls lighting, climate, and media with a touch or a voice command. Think 4K screens with streaming support, a premium sound system that brings your favorite playlists to life, and wireless charging pads scattered in smart spots. These are features that make day-to-day life on the road feel effortless, almost like stepping into your home lounge, but on wheels. And for those of you who love a good night's sleep, this interior isn't an afterthought either. There's talk of queen-size beds with premium memory foam mattresses, convertible lounges that give you flexible sleeping space, and even options for additional sleeping arrangements, because whether it's two travelers or a small family, this ride is made for comfort. Another part that's generating a lot of excitement is the powertrain. It's expected that Mercedes will offer both hybrid and possibly fully electric variants, giving you that smooth, quiet driving experience we've come to love from modern electric vehicles, plus a hybrid option for those longer trips that don't always have access to charging stations. Imagine pulling up to a scenic vista, shutting the engine, and hearing nothing but birds and the wind. That's the dream, right? The hybrid engine is designed to give you the best of both worlds. Long-distance travel without range anxiety and cleaner, more efficient power when you're on the move. And with regenerative braking systems and smart energy management, you're getting advanced tech usually found in high-end cars, built into something you live in. Now let's talk practicality and the real-world stuff that matters on road trips. Storage and organization never feel like an afterthought here. You've got cleverly integrated overhead cabinets, generous underbed storage, and utility compartments that make packing gear and essentials a breeze. USB-C and standard power outlets are found throughout, so everyone can keep their devices charged and ready. And because we're all about comfort, things like retractable awnings, outdoor kitchen modules, and expandable decks are part of the possible upgrades. Safety is another area where this model shines. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is expected to come with smart driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping support, collision avoidance, and even 360-degree monitoring. These are the kinds of tools that make highway travel less stressful and give you peace of mind, especially on long journeys or unfamiliar mountain roads. Modern stability programs and reinforced construction aim to make your ride not just comfortable, but confident. Now, pricing. Early industry chatter suggests that the 2026 Mercedes luxury motorhome could start somewhere around $210,000 to $290,000 USD for the well-equipped versions, with fully tricked-out luxury packages potentially pushing closer to the $300,000 mark or above. That's a premium price, sure, but when you're comparing it to the luxury RV market as a whole, this is right in the ballpark for something that feels more like a mobile apartment than a camper. You're paying for refinement, tech, and that unmistakable Mercedes character. Schweitzer Hospital Lamborghini. So how does this compare to the Mercedes motorhomes of the past? Honestly, it's like night and day. Previous generations leaned much more utilitarian, with a focus on functionality first and comfort second. But with this 2026 model, comfort, style, and tech are equal players. We're seeing Mercedes bring its automotive luxury DNA into the motorhome world in a way that hasn't been done before, and that's exciting not just for RV lovers but for anyone who loves travel and innovation. Also, whereas older versions might have felt basic or simply practical, the new generation feels purpose-built for people who want to enjoy the journey as much as the destination. It's not just about getting somewhere, it's about how you go. The interior feels like a sanctuary, the systems feel intuitive, and every detail seems designed to make life on the road feel less like roughing it and more like indulging in a new kind of adventure. Now I know what you might be thinking, isn't this just a fancy camper? And sure, at first glance some might say that, but once you spend a moment thinking about the design, technology, comfort, and performance, it isn't just fancy. It's a shift. It's a glimpse into what luxury travel can become when a brand like Mercedes applies its full expertise to mobile living. And you know, that's the part one thing a lot of us really resonate with, the idea that freedom and comfort don't need to be separate, that you can set off on an adventure without sacrificing style or convenience. That the places you explore become extensions of your comfort zone, not a compromise. So whether you're daydreaming about weekend getaways, planning cross-country treks, or just love seeing where innovation is headed, this 2026 Mercedes-Benz luxury motorhome is something to get genuinely excited about. A home on wheels that doesn't feel like a compromise, but a choice, one people make because they want the best of both worlds. Imagine rolling up to a sunset, sliding open that panoramic window, settling into your plush lounge, and just breathing it all in with that Mercedes emblem gleaming proudly. That's the future of luxury on the road, and for many of us, it's something worth watching closely as these machines start hitting showrooms and highways around the world. Thanks so much for watching. If you're as hyped about this next generation of luxury RVs as I am, drop a comment below. What feature are you most excited about? And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more deep dives into the coolest vehicles hitting the road in the next few years. Until next time, safe travels and happy adventures. If you love seeing the absolute newest motorhome technology and design, you need to be part of the Review My RV family. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss the next big reveal. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the open road.